make the trip to the cove in La Quinta, where the Kaholia Native Americans were the first ancestors to occupy the land. It is hot and the heat never forgives, but still I push myself to walk the Cove Oasis Trail to practice a special tradition. So today, I met the Titnich family, and we connected on the Sound of Our Trumpets. Their shofars have traveled far and wide. The shofar is used to announce a new moon and a new jubilee year. It's basically a memorial for blowing, signifying the start of wartime. It's a way to call the Lord and gather all the angels. We resonated and connected with how the frequency reaches the very end of this valley right here. It is so interesting how humans can connect through sound. We communicate through the earth in such a similar way. I could not stop myself from introducing the sound of the conch shell to them as well.
So the shofar is similar to other cultures where they blow the conch shell, especially in Hawaii and other different parts of the world, and it has the same frequency. And it's because they didn't have these types of animals to use and to make a shofar out of the horns, so they blew the conch shell because it also emitted the same frequency.
Similarly, the shonko, or the conch shell in Hinduism, is used as a trumpet to call the start of a war. It's used to prevent the dangers at sea. It is blown at the time of worship and rituals, at the time of arti, or when light is being offered to the gods. The tales go as far back as Mahabharata, when Krishna resounded the conch shell to declare wartime against evil. My mom will blow the conch shell to scare away ghosts, and as she likes to say, prevent earthquakes in California. Good luck with that. Which makes me think, what is the evil that we are fighting today? Is it COVID? Mental depression? Political division? Police brutality that still happens today? Meeting the Titnich family reminded me of one thing. We have to summon all of our forces. We have to call our ancestors, the angels, our community, and people from all backgrounds and color and tribes across this world. Because this is a fight against evil. And it all starts with the sound of our trumpets.